Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marion and I'm glad you could join me today. So it's around 7 a.m. and the kids have gone to school. So I'm all alone in the house and I want to do some homemaking. And I'm starting with the living room. I want to change the pillow covers. And I also want to decorate our TV stand. It's been bare for a long time. So and like I said, my name is Marion. I'm a mom of two and I create content around cooking, cleaning, home organizing, and mom life. So if this is the kind of content that excites you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. So now I want to decorate our TV stand, and I have these glass jars that I bought from House of Leather. The long one I had bought two, but one broke. So now I'll just have to work with what I have. The white ceramic, I intended to use it on our dining table. When we were in that other house, we had a dining table, but we moved before I could actualize this dream. So I'm going to be filling the glass jars with these two. I also got them from House of Leather, so let's just see how it will turn out. The artificial petal flowers, I bought them a while ago and I bought them from a shop in town. So those are the flowers that we are going to be using today.
Come in, I can seat you by the fire. Listen, there's something I must confide. I know I said that it'd be fine. I know I made it look like it'd be alright, but I think I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna let you out of my sight. You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to the light, and it might taste bitter.
This is how it has turned out. At least now the space is not that much bare. I don't know whether a glass jar and a ceramic one can be placed in the same place, but it is what it is, guys. So I'll work with what I have. And yeah, this is how also the living room has turned out. And I'm loving the outcome, really.
Come in, I can seat you by the fire. Listen, there's something I must confide. I know I said that it'd be fine. I know I made it look like it'd be alright, but I think I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna let you out of my sight. You can call me.
It's time for me to take breakfast, and I'm having tea with bread, an egg, and some mango. And I decided to first change the cushion covers and decorate our TV area first, because I know myself, if I sit before doing what I had intended, I might not do it at all. So yes, it's time for me to take breakfast. And I also want to read a book, and I'm reading this one by the name Wahala. It's a nice book. I've read quite a few chapters, and I make sure every day I read, even if it's just one chapter. I love reading. So yes, let me take breakfast, then read a chapter or two, and after that maybe I'll watch a few videos on TV. Then I go start doing my other house chores because it's still early. Next, I'm in the kitchen and I want to do dishes. And after doing dishes, I will wipe the kitchen countertops and also the cabinets. Just some little cleaning here and there.
searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
It's around 3 p.m. now, and my son is home from school. So I want to prepare him something to eat. But first, he's admiring our little decor. So after that, he's going to wash his hands, remove his school uniform as I prepare something for him to eat.
Lions roaring in the morning sun. Such
And today he has decided that he wants to eat some soda, cake, and an apple.
never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
The sister is also home from school. They are normally dropped at the gate. So I picked her from there. And we are just exchanging pleasantries. And she has decided also to take some soda with mandazi and an apple also.
Back to when we were young, for the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung, kids across the lane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah.
I also want to fix myself a cup of coffee because I didn't eat lunch. I rarely take lunch. So yes, I want to fix myself a cup of coffee and I'll take with some biscuits.
Beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
For dinner today, we are having rice with beef stew, and I prepared it off camera. At some point, my son was not feeling well, and I had to take care of him. Yeah, but he has some medicine. I bought him some medicine. I hope he'll be feeling better tomorrow.